And welcome back to the Dog Bowl Food Truck. We have just met Itward, and he has something to show us. Let's find out what that is. Behold! The Itward flying machine. What do you think? I love it! It's many buttons to push. Yes, with this gorgeous piece of machinery, I'll take you home. We'll fly as soon as I arrange the details. Besides, it's not 2:35 yet. That sounds great, but what is it about 2:35, sir? I don't understand. It's when time becomes slower. That gives us a chance to enter the ultra reality. Inside the ultra reality, we can travel wherever we want to go. Right now, we're standing in the endless limits of the second reality. But you're part of the third reality. Do you understand? Yes, I do understand. It sounds insane. But, sir, should I just wait until you're done fixing the machine? Wait, of course not. You can help by getting water and fire berries. Alright? Alright, it's better to do something than nothing at all, I guess. Great! Here is my amazing handmade bucket for the water. I made it myself. Gee, I can tell. Ah, and the fire berries! You'll realize which berries to pick because of the fire! Alright, but sir, can I just ask, why do you need the berries in the water? Well, the berries are incredibly good fuel. They last many, many hours. And the water's to get rid of the dirt. The Kamalas. Kamalas. I see. I hope they don't come near the flying machine. We never know! But we do know that they don't like water. Yes? Oh, darling, I almost forgot. Your medicine. You need it. Some things are still invisible to your eyes, you see? Here. Invisible to my eyes. I see. Well, thank you. I was trying to catch the pills earlier, but the trap caught me first. Oh, yes, about that, I am sorry. I needed to get your attention somehow. It's okay, sir. I defeated the trap in, like, 1 second. Anyway, I'll go get the fire berries and the water. I'll be right back. Great! I'll be preparing the machine. Can I click on stuff in here? Oh my gosh. Bird. Bird. Give me bird. Wow, a mechanical bird. This is grand. Wonderful. You can sing, birdie bird. I guess you'll get to fly when we depart, okay? Many lights. I wonder if every time they blink it's because they got tired of shining. Because if it's on, it shines. If it's off, it doesn't shine. Wonder what this lever does. Up and down. Nothing happened. Ah. Maybe it's supposed to do nothing. Hello? I think I hear something. Oh, a lamp. It looks like an eye staring at you. Very scary. The lamp blinks. I wonder if this is the eye of the flying machine. A cyclops. Flying saucer. I think I'll write a story about this. Well, he's kind of, like, in the way, and I don't want to accidentally talk about him. But you know what we gotta do now that we got pills back, baby? Pills here! Ho, 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 ho. Ew! I look completely deformed. Am I nutritious? I bet I am. Tasty fresh. Given my proclivities, you know the comment I would like to make. You're not the Kamalas, aren't you? Can you talk? Hello? I wonder if this Fran is really me, but from some other place. Wow, so much hair and so shiny. I feel like I'm in a magical world of hair. Interesting. So we know the fire berries because of the fire, so... Oh. So much hair. Okay. Oh!
Get out! Get out! You're trespassing on my territory!
Huh? Excuse me, I thought you were dead.
How could you possibly think that? You have no manners, young lady.
I'm very sorry, but you seem to be all rotten and bloody.
Me? Rotten and bloody? I think you're misunderstanding the situation.
Why don't you say that? Why do you say that, Mr. Moose?
Mr. Moose? But I'm not a moose. I'm a deadly worm.
Excuse me? A deadly worm?
No, not a deadly worm. A deadly worm. You're unkidding creatures. I just returned to the soil what creatures took from it, and don't need any more.
But I only see a talking moose. Well, but I only see a talking moose. Where are you?
Down here. Creature, can't you see me?
That's a cute little guy. Look at him. He's a cute little guy. Reminds me of that one demon thing from Inuyasha where it was like two brothers and like brother demons. Like one of them was like a normal dude and the other one looked about like that. Oh, there you are. You're so tiny. Hello, my name is Fran.
Hello, Fran. Can I ask, why did you touch the moose in the first place? Normally only scavengers touch dead animals. Are you one of them?
Oh, of course not. I was just trying to see if I could climb on it to reach the fire berries.
I see. I think it's possible. The moose is still very sturdy and solid. But the fire berries are on fire. You might hurt yourself.
Yes, I see the fire, but I have to get them somehow.
Good luck with that. Climb on now. I'll keep working.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Can't take the fire berries, they're on fire. Can I cut them? I could cut the berries off the tree, but they're on fire. We'll come back. Oh, uh-oh. Oh dear, height. Wait. Wait. Ha ha. Accidental discovery of the solution. Fire berries are not on fire anymore. I like that. That's a really good puzzle. That, like, from a game design standpoint, that's a very good puzzle. It reintroduces us and reacclimates us to, hey, we've got the pills again. Oh god. Are you okay? Hello, are you those shiny insects that get stuck in trees because they're curious?
We usually get stuck, yes. How do you know this? You're not one of us.
I met one of your kind before. I helped them get free of their curiosity.
Ah, that is very nice of you. Curiosity can lead us to unexpected situations.
Yes, I think curiosity is a good thing, but are you stuck?
Not at all. We're just trying to make our hair the longest hair ever.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Good luck. I have to go now. Bye-bye. Let's see. So we need water. Can't reach the water from here.
Aww. Okay. So... Can I use it on you? Can you lower the hair? Hey, I need help, please. Would you let me tie this bucket to your beautiful hair? Tie a bucket to our hair? Why? That sounds insane. Oh, it's not insane at all. I need water from under the cliff, but I can't reach it. I need you to use your long, beautiful hair as a rope. Please help me. All right, we'll help you. Tie the bucket really tight. Thank you, you're very nice. Fill up the water bucket, whole bucket, please. Esploosh. Huh. The bucket is now full of water. Oh, thank you, shiny insects. I have to go now. I have to go home. Home is a place where all wish to belong. But does home belong somewhere? What? I'm sorry, I don't really understand the question. It was a rhetorical question. I just wanted to say that you are your own home. Welcome yourself inside. You'll find many doors to open. Oh, that sounds mysterious and beautiful. I'll try to do that some other time. Bye. As a quick thing, I usually try to give general positivity and openness, but it kind of came up in a conversation I was having earlier today about being trans. You are your own home. So be who and what you have to be. So long as whatever you become, you love yourself. Did you find the fireberries and the water already? We need them for the journey back home. Yes. Sir Edward, here's the bucket full of water. I got help from the shiny insects. You mean the lucifers? They're nice, yes, but only when you see them in this reality. They're very dangerous if you see them in the fifth reality. They can burn you. Wow, burn me? Well, I haven't gone to the fifth reality yet. I don't recommend it. Oh, what's reasonable there may be the worst thing you'll ever experience. Oh, I forgot to thank you for the water. Thank you, Fran. Sir, I brought the fireberries, but they're not on fire anymore. Magnificent! They'll do just fine. Thank you very much, my darling. Fran, it's 2:34! The journey's about to begin! Let's get inside the machine! Well, hang on, I want to inspect. Wonder what this box does. Very busy. Hello? I think I hear something. Doorbell, is anybody home? Spinning around, circular motion. Wind hole. I don't want to go in this one. God damn! It's 2:36, and there's a high probability of reaching the target in good condition. We'll soon be on our way to the third reality. Are you excited, Fran? Maybe I'd be more excited if I understood more about the realities. Well, you'll soon understand the answers aren't so easy to recognize. Huh, that sounds strange to me, sir. Time proceeds as it has to, in order for you to be alive. If it all happened now, you'd probably explode. Are you telling me that the answers I'm looking for will come to me when they want? Not exactly. You know what? I'd rather say, through time you must explore and experience to understand. That means the answers will come when you find them. Not when others tell you or how. Not when others tell you how or where to find them. Oh, I see. Well, I'm excited now. You've awoken my curiosity. Well, that's the best thing you can do for yourself. Be curious, and you'll always be amazed. But now, Fran, you have to get things done. Talking won't get you home. What things, sir? The machine needs some maintenance, and I think you would do incredible work. Here are the fire berries and the water you gathered before. You'll need them to get the fuel mixed and the water pump working again. You'll find all the information you need when you enter the room to the left. But feel free to enter any room as you wish. I'll be quite busy fixing the automatic driver. But if you have something to ask, I'll be here. Huh. I've never done anything like this before. Well, that makes it more exciting! Have fun, my darling. Alright. I'll go now. Alright, how many? Holy God.
Oh, okay. Okay. Gauntlet.
Music makes you think of forks. Keep this. It's always good for fixing stuff. Hammer. Hammer stuff. Wooden foot reminds me of when I was a tree. Fran. Okay, for anybody who doesn't know or doesn't recognize this, that is essentially... Okay, so you know how when you buy clothes or when you buy shoes, it takes a while for them to be broken in, air quotes, you know, for, like, to feel comfortable in them? That's what that thing is. You shove it inside your shoe and turn the knob at the top, and it kind of, like, expands the wood out a little bit to stretch out the shoe a little bit. What in the fuck? It's the Athirsta language again. Feather, like the Great Wizard's riddle. Very complicated. I think Itward has style. Oh, wow. I didn't know you could go here and look at this. I wonder where we are right now. Everything looks like an ant's world. This makes me feel so tiny in the world, and dizzy. Those bulbs burned me. I shouldn't touch them. Let's see. Oh, wrong button. What? Kamala Hunt. Oh. Oh. Okay, I wasn't expecting to play Space Invaders. Oh, they're shooting back. Yeah, got him. Can I get some for this? And once again, this is why I love coming back to these games, because it's like I keep finding stuff that I never knew was here. Winner! Oh, what? Chicken! Unpredicted behavior from the Itwork computer machine database has been found. Itwork has been shut down. Easter egg allowed. Oh no. Oh no, I'm sorry, Edward. It's a compass. Wonder what this machine does. Oh, button. Hello, Fran speaking. You said we can go into any room we like, so let's... That's a lot of cats. I wonder if Edward really does love black cats. If the dolls represent Mr. Midnight, that would be strange. Edward makes me wonder so many things. Feels like something's missing. Key requires a key. Okay. Kind of thinks the machine counts. Doesn't have wires. How does it work? Looks like there's a mathematical problem. But I won't try to solve it. I have other things to do. Looks like mathematical problem. Lovely bear. They're holding hands. Hey, that's King Ziar. I recognize him. Clock. Many things to look at. A lamp that looks like a teapot with forks and spoons. What's this? Oh, that's the light switch. Why are there forks and spoons everywhere? Huh, nothing happened. Ladder leads up to a door, but the door is closed. Well, I am curious. Ah! Are you here to kill Itward? I'm very sorry for what I did. I hope that you can forgive me. Hello? Why won't you talk to me? In a world made of darkness and light, two little sisters tried to steal each other's charm, but neither side could decide if what they were was just right. Mia was angry and Clara was sad, and this was because they were both mad. Oh, insane little girls. Inside of their minds, it was the creature of the night. He always came around in dreams or reality, teaching the girls the splendor of duality. But they couldn't understand. Itward was a friend. Itward was the link between darkness and light. He was gray. But Clara and Mia one day decided to get rid of Itward once and for all. Die, creature of the night, die, they said. But they killed each other instead. Dead and gone. The sisters kept complaining about each other. It's all your fault, Clara. It's all your fault, Mia. Then Itward came to visit for the last time, and he said, "You are both trapped in a world of disconnections, but I'll give you a chance.
The world has been mean to you. They sewed your bodies together to prove that they could. They gave you a mirror to compare yourselves. I'll give you nothing but what you already have, and just one tiny little chance to understand the purpose of life. But the clock is ticking. You have until the day a black cat goes missing, and the well's magic door is unlocked. The end. Fascinating. So that was all Edward's doing, was it? So he's coming across more like a fey creature, like a, you know, like the can teach you a lesson, but you better learn the lesson. Oh, hey, oh, Robot Kitty! Actually, hang on, before we... Wild. Alright. What do we got here? Drinking water, they're quite small. Vases, no flowers. Oh, jeez. Alright, this is gonna be interesting. Fire berries. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so... that goes there. There, and... micronutrients in fire berries will supercharge an engine and ensure it lasts forever. Okay. Okay. Oh, hell. Alright. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. So, that needs to go in there and in there. Wait. Wait. AFM, it's missing. Oh. Okay. So AFM has to be on the far left, but we got A18, 2PF, R15. And then N116. Okay. Okay. So we need AFM. It's a huge spinning top. That may be the engine. Alright, well, let's have a look on the other side. Oh, no! Oh, well. Found that. They forgot Forgot to give myself some love. Seconds and minutes and hours and days. Tick tock, tick tock. Alright, so then, hang on, I remember we need to use this. So we need AFM. Just follow the wall mules. It's like a manual, but on the walls. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here, and on the next episode, we'll go ahead and we'll figure out actual rocket science, I guess. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good night, guys.